Well, he's looking around, and he's got to be the guy that's aggressive offensively. They need scoring in the absence of Leonard.
Inside, Pachulia.
What a pass by Draymond Green.
Swatted away and stolen by Green. Gasol thought it was a foul. Curry for three. Jason Curry there, back out to Durant. Durant finds Curry. Curry turns, fires, and hits. Steph Curry with his third three-pointer in the first quarter. Wild shot won't go, and here comes DeJounte Murray, the impressive rookie for San Antonio. Shot misses. Green initially altered it. McCall with the block, and then Ginobili stops the fast break. This place would have erupted even if that went down. McCall with the steal. Finds David West. Layup is good.
Doesn't panic, doesn't rush. Plays with tremendous pace.
Curry draws the foul, gets the roll, and will head to the free throw line. Curry fires a pass to Durant. Three-pointer, it's good.
Crack and break, and I never had to play it again because I had no talent.
McCaw on the steal, throws it back to McAdoo. Just some highlight plays for the bench for Golden State.
Still making plays in transition. McCall's had a pretty good night.